This is my Ps4 controller. As you can see, R2 does not stick. L2 sticks. You have to push it up for it to not be stuck. So if you're playing Call of Duty, you're going to be stuck, your gun's going to be stuck on aiming, and it will not drop the gun down till you flip it up like that. Called Sony about getting a replacement where it's still under warranty, and yeah, they'll send you a new controller, but you got to pay the shipping to send your messed up controller to Sony. Then a week later, they said it could take up to a week for them to send you another controller. So you're going to be out of controller probably 2 weeks. You can see down in there, it's broke. You can like see a gap. I don't even hardly play. It's the first time I've played in months. The controller has had very little gameplay. See down in that, looks fine. I've looked on the internet, tons of people have had this problem. There's no fix. The hinge is broke inside. Yeah, you could play it, you could keep it. But every time you want to pull your gun up, you're going to have to push hard, let go, and it'll flip up, or you can flip it up like that. Pain in the butt. $60 controller. Waste of money. Should have bought an Xbox One. Let me know what you think. Is there any fixes out there? Peace.